Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to solve some examples which are based on the previous video that we have done. So I hope you remember the shortcut that we have studied, right? What was the shortcut? Can you tell? So shortcut was TOA, right? So let us just revise the shortcut once again and then we will go to the questions. So shortcut is TOA. What is the meaning of this? TOA means sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is opposite by adjacent. And also I told you to remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios in one order. So what was that order? First one is sine, then second one is cos, third is tan, fourth is cot, then sec, and then cosec. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other, cos and sec are reciprocal of each other, tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. So if you are able to get the value of sine, cos and tan, then it is very easy to find out the value of cot, sec and cosec. So just take the reciprocal of the first three. Now let us begin with the questions. So first question is, here one right angle triangle is given to us where angle B is 90 degree. So if angle B is 90 degree, this side will be known as hypotenuse. Now length of AB is given to us, length of BC is given to us, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and then they are asking find the value of sine A, cos A, tan A, cot A, sec A and cosec A. So everything we need to find with respect to angle A, all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now here in this triangle only two sides are given to us. AB is given, BC is given, AC is not given. So how can we find AC? We can just use Pythagoras theorem to find AC. So let's quickly find out AC. AC will be under root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 5. Okay, you can also just remember the triplet. What is the triplet? Triplet is 3, 4, 5. So if one of the side is 3 in a right angle triangle, if the other side is 4, then hypotenuse will always be 5. And also remember, hypotenuse is always the longest side in a right angle triangle. So longest one will be 5. And the other two sides are 3 and 4. Fine. Now let us see how can we find the value of sine A. So with respect to A, we are defining everything. So if you are defining everything with respect to A, then which side will be called as opposite side? With here, this is angle A. So with respect to this angle, this side will be known as opposite side. This side will be known as adjacent side. Now sine A. So what is the definition? Remember the shortcut, right? So ka TOA. So sine is opposite by hypotenuse, which is opposite side BC, which is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Now substitute the value of BC. BC is 4 centimeter, so we can write 4. AC is 5. The hypotenuse, right? Length of hypotenuse we have already found. It is equal to 5. Similarly, let's try to find cos A. Cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So length of AB is 3. Length of AC is 5. So cos A value will be 3 by 5. Simple. Then tan A. Tan A is opposite divided by adjacent, TOA, right? So opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So length of BC is 4 and length of AB is 3. So the value of tan A will be 4 by 3. Now what will be the value of cot A? Cot A is reciprocal of what? So you need to remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios in one order, right? What is that order? Sine, then we have cos, then we have tan, then we have cot, then we have sec, and at last cosec. So sine is reciprocal of cosec. Cos is reciprocal of sec and tan is reciprocal of cot. So cot is reciprocal of tan. So what is the answer for tan? Tan A is 4 by 3, so cot A will be simple 3 by 4. Just take the reciprocal of that. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So where is cos? Cos is 3 by 5. So sec will be 5 by 3. Cosec. So cosec is reciprocal of sine. So answer will be 5 by 4. Right? So that is it for this question. Let's go to the next question. So second question is, again the same right angle triangle I am taking, but this time we need to find out all the 6 trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. So this is angle C with respect to this angle. So again, first of all, see, this side is given 3 centimeter, this is given 4 centimeter. First I will find out length of AC. So AC you will get as 5. Correct. Now figure out which is the opposite side, which is the adjacent side. Everything we are seeing with respect to angle C. So this will be the opposite side. this will become adjacent side. Correct? Now what is the definition for sine? So sine, we know it is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So answer for sine C will be 3 by 5. Similarly cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent side is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So answer is 4 by 5. And tan C is TOA, right? So opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite side is 3, adjacent side is 4. So answer is 3 by 4. Now cosec is reciprocal of sine. So answer will be simple, 5 by 3. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So answer will be 5 by 4. And cot is reciprocal of tan. So answer is 4 by 3. Simple. Now let us try to see some important results over here. So what are the important results? First is tan x is always equal to sin x divided by cos x. Now how can we get this result? So let's see over here. What is the definition? We have studied sin x, or sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is opposite by adjacent. So let's write down the definitions. Sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So let's say if I divide these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, let's divide them. So hypotenuse will get cancelled. So simply I will get sin x divided by cos x equal to opposite divided by adjacent. And opposite divided by adjacent is nothing but it is tan of x, right? So sin x divided by cos x is always equal to tan of x. So let's see over here, like for example, in this example we got sin c equal to 3 by 5, cos c equal to 4 by 5. So if we divide them, right, like sin c divided by cos c, this was 3 by 5, this was 4 by 5. So we can write like this, 3 by 5, and this 5 will go up, right? So multiplied by 5 by 4, 5 cancel. So answer that I will get is 3 by 4. And this 3 by 4 will be nothing but it will be the value of tan of c. So tan c will be 3 by 4. Fine. So just if you get the value of sine and cos, just divide them, you will get the value of tan. And for getting the value of cot, you can divide cos and sine. Understood? Just take the reciprocal of that. So here we can make one more formula, that is cot x is cos x by sin x. They both are reciprocal of each other, right? Similarly, sec is reciprocal of cos, cosec is reciprocal of sine. So this you already know. And tan is reciprocal of cot, and cot is reciprocal of tan. They both are reciprocal of each other. So for this 4 formulas, you can just remember the 6 trigonometric ratios in that order, so that you know which is the reciprocal of what. And this is one new formula that we have, that is tan x is equal to sin x by cos x, and cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. Fine. Now there is one more way for remembering all these formulas, and I call this method as a mad hexagon. Why do I call it as a mad hexagon? Because you can remember each and every formula of this chapter using this mad hexagon. How, I will tell you, but this is very important. So you can just understand the concept. How do we use mad hexagon to frame all the formulas which are there in this chapter? Again, I am repeating, all the formulas, each and every formula which is there in this chapter, you can simply remember if you can remember this hexagon. So first thing is draw one hexagon, and then we will write sin x over here. So you remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios in that order. So how to place them on this hexagon, that I will tell you. Write sin x over here, sine over here, cos, then tan, cot, sec and cosec. We will always start from the left side, right? Sine, cos, tan and cot, sec and cosec, like this, right? Now simply look at the diagonal, like see, let me change the color. So cos x is over here, sec x is over here. They both are diagonally opposite, right? This is one of the diagonal. So they both are diagonally opposite. So we can say that sec x is reciprocal of cos x. Okay. Diagonally opposite trigonometric functions are reciprocal of each other. Similarly, sine and cosec, they are lying along one diagonal. So cosec x will be reciprocal of sine x, or you can also say sine x is reciprocal of cosec x. Similarly, tan x is here, cot x is here. So they both are also lying diagonally opposite. So cot will be 1 by tan and tan will be 1 by cot. They both are also reciprocal of each other. So these formulas are very easy. Now you will ask, sir, how can we remember this formula using mad hexagon? Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. So just you can mark one arrow like this. Okay, tan x is sin x divided by cos x. If you want to remember for cot, you can remember it like this. Cot x is cos x divided by sin x. So just remember this arrow. One arrow is like this starting from tan x, and one arrow is like this starting from cot x. This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Fine. So all the formulas you can remember using the mad hexagon. You might also observe one more thing, that I have written 1 in the center. So what is the importance of this one, that also I will tell you in the upcoming videos. But for now, just remember the position of all the trigonometric functions in this hexagon. And also you can remember one more important thing, that diagonally opposite elements are reciprocal of each other. So that is it for this video. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.